Hey YouTube, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be making slime. So yeah, okay. Sorry if you hear like my. Oh, sorry if you hear my family. Yeah, that's just my family. And right now I'm wondering what kind of ring I should wear. So I have got cupcake rings. So yeah, that's fine. See, look, this is how much cupcake rings I have. Look. This is all my cupcake rings. I don't know which one to use. I call the Snapchat filter. I'm gonna wear the Snapchat filter. It's a little bit dirty, but I think that's okay. So if I'm going, if my voice is lower than usual, it's because my family is doing things and I want them to hear me. So yeah. So I got a bowl, a spoon, a container, some activator, and some glue. Well, just in case you didn't know, I'm gonna be making slime. So yeah, and when I'm done, it should turn out like this one. Look, ew. Well, it doesn't have to be that sticky, but I'm gonna make it less stickier, my slime. But yeah, look, it should turn out like this. So yeah, so yeah. Oh my god, it's backwards. Okay, mine is like sticky, but like. It feels sticky, like it feels gonna get to your hands, but it doesn't stick to your hands. Okay, this one. It's sticky, but it doesn't stick to your hands. I don't know. So it should turn out like this one, and this one's less stickier and it's smaller, but yeah. It should turn out like this one too. And stretchy. So yeah. So first, you're gonna okay, so we just go like this so you can see it better. With something holding it. Like this. Something holding it like this. So there. Oh my gosh, that's a little too much. Let's see. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys. Sorry. I'm gonna say like this. Then okay. So, like that. Okay. So first I'm gonna be adding my glue. So it's not new, but it still has some. And it's almost out, but it's better than nothing. So, and I give 2 glues to my sister, because let me show you my glues. So, wait, no, I'm gonna show her my glue collection. So, I mean my slime collection. And I have a big bucket full, but it's not like completely full. So yeah. So then you want to mix your glue, just your choice. I just like mixing it. Okay. So what's next is your activator. So well actually I don't want to add it on this. Let me just add my activator. I'm gonna have on a new bottle. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add. Sorry if you see some dripping. So, okay, so I'm gonna add. Okay. I just added to a new container, but I'm gonna add some activator. So I just built some, and I'm gonna use that and add to a glue. Okay. So you want to add a little by little. So if you have like these, then just add 1 drop by 1 drop. So I added like the tiniest one. Look how little that is. Yeah. And look, by tiniest, it's already getting together. So yeah. This time I'm gonna add 2 drops. One, 2. Oopsies. It's still okay though. turn into slime. Look. Okay, you can't really see it, but it is. So just keep mixing until it's like a good time to get with your hands. So this is how mine's turning out. So I'm just adding the rest of the thing on it. So it's on a container. Just keep adding. Just keep adding. I don't know if you know it from Finding Dory. Okay. Or comment down below if you even seen Dory. I'm just sitting on like a bucket. So yeah. Sorry. So, it's because it didn't turn hard, but it was harder to mix. So once it's like harder and harder to mix, then you could go with your hand. I still don't want my hands to be sticky, but let's just go for it. Okay. So, ew. I think it needs more yucky yuck. So ew. So ew. Oh my gosh, it got on my hands. I got it on my. That will do for now. Ew. So bad. Okay, I'm just adding the last bits. That's not all I have, but yeah, I still have a lot more. This much activator, this much of activator too, and I still have a lot more, but I just decided to save these and then this much of activator. So yeah, I'm just saving them. Okay, so oh my gosh, a few drops until it's non-sticky. Oopsies, that's a little too much. I hope that didn't make it like gooey. So I think that's enough for activator. I think I made it too much activator. Yeah, I made it a little too much activator. But I think it'll still work. It might look like this if you add too much, but that's okay because if you keep on mixing, I'll get used to it. So yeah, I did not try to wink, okay guys? So yeah. So I'll show you guys when it, well actually I'm gonna show you guys so you guys can know like how I mix it. What I do is just go like this, see? Look how it was chunky and now it's like getting non-chunkier. So I love it when it's like kind of sticky, but yeah. Okay, so. Okay, I did not mean to do that. Okay, let me try that again. I got a little tiny bubble. Oh my gosh, I love it when it's crunchy. So I was gonna add some shaving cream, but nah, shaving cream. I think that's how it's called. If it's not, just comment down below if I'm wrong, but comment down below if I'm right too. Yeah. So. Oh. So this is how your slime should turn out. And if you want, you can mix one of your favorite with your favorites. Well, not one of your favorites, but you can mix slimes together too. And yeah, so I'm just gonna mix my sticky one. I just wanted it sticky, so I'm gonna mix my sticky one with my non-sticky one. Let's see what I mix. It's bigger for sure. Oh, it's not sticky no more. So this is how mine turned out, and I really like it. But the thing is that I want it more darker, so I'm gonna add toothpaste to it. So yeah, sorry, my camera died. So I just added the tiniest bit toothpaste. I don't know why this is in the way. So the tiniest bit of toothpaste, the tiniest bit of food coloring. Ew. Sorry if like I said something wrong. I added some food coloring. Some like it didn't get darker. You see that? But it didn't get darker, but I like it like this. So I'm gonna put it in its container. I'm sorry, that is really disgusting. But yeah. And that's how I made my slime. I have a lot of slimes now. It's really easy. I made a pink one, and that's my favorite. Well, not slimes didn't hear that. Okay, well, not my favorite. Like, oh my gosh, so happy on campus. But oh my gosh, it's so hard. Oopsie. This is one of my favorites. And I added like a little bit of toothpaste, a little bit of food coloring too. And it's stretchy. Sometimes it could be like not so stretchy, like it just broke. So yeah, it's like, I don't know what to explain it, but it's like squishy. See that? It's slow rising. I just say it's slow rising. I don't know when. And if you're watching this, Cindy and Guadalupe, well, any of Cindy and Guadalupe, shout out. But they're my friends too, so and I'm in 4th grade, so I'm in schools. That was not a fart. I just like squeezed the container. So let me put that to my collection. So that's my homemade, and I really like how it turned out. So yeah. So I decided to make one with you guys. So I made a lot. So go check out my slime collection one.